In today's video, we will be making cute decorative terrariums for your home. For this project, you will need aquarium gravel and/or aquarium sand, any type of container. We bought these glasses at a thrift store for 50 cents each, and air plants. Air plants need to be watered once a week. All you do is submerge the plants face down in a bowl of water for 20 to 30 minutes. After you soak them, take them out of the water and place them on paper towels to dry. Next, you fill your containers with gravel. You can layer them any way you want to. Next, you place your air plant right on top of the gravel. These types of plants don't need soil. And here are the finished products. Simple, quick, easy, and pretty. Hope this adds some panache to your life.